In this segment, we'll show you how to install the anti-theft system on TruDrop planters. When your anti-theft system arrives, it includes the following: 4 brass inserts, 4 steel plates, and 4 steel Phillips head screws. Start by turning your planter upside down on a flat, smooth surface that will not scratch it. Place the brass inserts into the designated holes, textured side first. Use a mallet or the back of a screwdriver to ensure the brass insert is flush. Align each bracket over the designated hole, making sure the concave hole for the screw is on the bracket facing up. Use a Phillips screwdriver to fasten the brackets with the 4 steel screws and tighten securely. Now turn the planter over and place it at the target destination. If you haven't already, make sure you test your overflow drain before attaching it to the floor. Watch our video on how to do this. Depending on the type of surface you're installing on, we recommend checking with your local hardware store to determine the best hardware for securing your planter. Please note that if you're using a push plug for the main drain, the anti-theft system could potentially block access to the main drain. In this case, only attach 3 brackets.